Good afternoon, students. Today we will see the practical. What is that? Practical means marking the wildlife sanctuary and national park in India map. So everyone take a India map, and that you have to mark the national parks. So that is very important. So in that way, all of them take that. You get from the one India map, and in that India map, so we have to mark the important sanctuaries and national park. So first we go for our park. What is that? So Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary National Park. So see everybody, this is the important one. So in India map, you can take it, and this is the Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park. And next Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. And next point Calabar Wildlife and Bat Sanctuary. So this point you have to mark that. And next we go for the Kaziranga National Park. This is the Kaziranga National Park. So this is also very important one. And after that you go for the Gir National Park. So what is that? Gir National Park. So this is the Gir National Park or wildlife sanctuary. This 5 it is very important for that. So we can point out the location first. And bat sanctuary is the Nagapattinam. Bat sanctuary this is the Nagapattinam. And after that it is the Kaziranga National Park. That is is Assam. Assam it is a Kasinada National Park. And Gir National Park it is in Gujarat. And Periyar Wildlife is Kerala. And Mudumalai National Park. This is for your exercise. So I already marked some of them and showing to you in this picture, and you have to do this and Kaziranga National Park. So this is present in Assam. And after that you can mark out the Kalimar Wildlife Bat Sanctuary. This is for that Nagapattinam. And Gir National Park in Gujarat, Gir. And Periyar is Kerala. And Mudumalai Wildlife National Park also Kerala. So these and all you have to mark it and send to me. So this is the first practical for you. So everyone do that in this experiment. Okay. So next we go for the Mendelian triads. So this is a very important practical one. So in your home, who's under having cleft gene, so in their marking is there, no? So that you have to know. So no cleft. If you having cleft retinadi, that they will say in Tamil. So that like anybody in your family or if your friends our class students having means you can note down. So I think it is a Vel Murugan having, I think so. So like that you have to check it, and that's the dominant character, the recessive character, and how many of them recessive character. So totally 11 students are there. Everyone should write in that. Okay. So after that in your 11 students who are having curl hair and straight hair, how many of them curl hair and how many of the straight hair. Okay. Those who are having is a dominant character means they are curly hair. Okay. So tongue you have to see the tongue. So the rolling tongue. So that is you can note down, and non-roller, and timple is there. So that also you can note down that. And then you can note dimple. So that also you have to mark it. Ear lobes also you have to check it. The free lobe is there. Some of them it is attached lobe is there. And that it is you can check it and write. And left thumb on top. So right thumb on. So you have to do the interlocking the fingers. So you have to interlock the fingers. So left thumb on top. Right thumb on top means you are a recessive character only. So if the left thumb on top means you the dominant character, and if you are writing in the right hand means you are dominant character, left hand means it's a recessive character. So in your hairstyle it is a widow's peak means you are the dominant, and that you straightly you have to peak is not there means you are the recessive character. Okay. Shape of the face. So oval space and square face, there are 2 spaces there. So you have to check it and note down that. And after finger made the digital hair. So that is a digital means you are fingers you have to check it. So it is hair having means you are the dominant character, no hair means it's a recessive character. So 11 students, among them we can check it and note down in the human Mendelian traits. So you are a phenotype, no your genotype, dominant, recessive, or what you having are this and all that you can discuss that. After that everyone you can write in your own this. Are you understood? So after that our class and all, how many of them is when we can get that is. So what is that? So she take a sheet of paper and you have to do that in among yourself, because now that is we didn't do in our classroom now. So then you can write and put a column of this like, and the left chin, hair curl, tongue rolling them. So first you can write your characters. Okay, you having a no, yes or no, your generation dominant or recessive, hair you are recessive or dominant, and curly that have everything you can note down. So this is for your practical, so do that. And if there are two things, one is the India map taken and you have to mark it, and another one is your human Mendelian traits. These two you have to done in the and send to me. If you have doubt means ping me, I can say that clarify your doubts. Thank you.